Okay, here let's see how we can process a voice memo with qwanyx. I'm happy to show that because this is really the functionality that convinced me that qwanyx is a really terrific tool. So let's start. First of all, let's create a node. Okay, just Alt N, Alt N, I create a node. Then I double click on the node and I do nothing else that get a sound file. My voice memo. They are here. I open it, it think a bit, and it transcribe all my notes. So, but with these notes, they are just not organized at all. They are just one after another, whatever cross my mind. I say note 4, and then what the note is, note 4. That's all. That's all you have to do. I save this. No, I don't need to save. Actually, I can go directly to this icon. You see, there is a little way to analyze stuff, but I use this icon. It's especially for notes. When it's done, it says me that I have to paste the project in the canvas. It's not really a project. This message will be a bit better, but I just have to type Ctrl-U, and that will paste the structure I just create now. So I save this one. I think I can keep it as reference to see everything, if everything is okay. Put my cursor at the upper corner or where this mind map will be, and I type Ctrl-U. So now I have all my notes that are organized as a little mind map. I need to go to a leaf, and then here note pour qwanyx. Of course, transcription is not always easy, but not for qwanyx. Implement the MongoDB search, and it's in French. My notes are in French. Then slice timeline, and just note qwanyx create. It's exactly what I dictate. It really organizes all my little notes, and it can be much bigger than this. It's pretty faithful to the original notes that are here. It's at that moment it's just ready to be pasted. If I cut this, I cut it, I go to my to-do, which is my top desktop. I go to practical life, and then here it's all the little things I don't have to forget, and then I paste that here. The layout, they should be pasted somewhere like this, but you can imagine that is really not a big trouble. That will be resolved, and this is a task, and this is a task. So that's my to-do list here, and this is also a task. And I can organize that the way I want. Because navigation is very easy, I can go back, okay, here, and I continue to cut out of this, and then finally I have nothing there. But I have a place where I have all my notes not processed, and so every day I go there and I distribute my notes, but it's a super fast process. In the future, I will have some tools to distribute the notes as well, but already processing all your notes in one shot from sound to mind map. Just that one is already useful enough to use qwanyx, and it's just the very top of the tip of the iceberg. There is much more that can be done with qwanyx.